Hello my friend, welcome back to You Can Do TV channel. In the Jordan River dates orchards, palm trees thrive under careful irrigation and pruning, producing clusters of dates ready for harvest. Workers navigate the groves, selecting mature bunches while leaving younger fruits to ripen. That level of care ensures each date reaches peak sweetness. After picking, dates are transported to the packing facility, where they are sorted by size and quality. Conveyor belts move the fruits through gentle cleaning processes before they are graded and packed for shipment. The system keeps things moving efficiently, almost like a well-choreographed relay. Special attention is given to hygiene and storage conditions, ensuring freshness until the dates reach markets. Continuous monitoring of temperature and humidity preserves flavor and texture. It's impressive how such delicate fruits are handled with precision at every step. From tree to package, the workflow demonstrates sustainable practices and careful management, highlighting how traditional farming meets modern processing at Jordan River dates. The harvest fruit collector and shaker streamline cherry harvesting with just one operator. It's clever how one worker can handle each tree in under 30 seconds. The machine's vibration detaches fruit without harming the tree or roots, sending cherries directly into the crate. Shakers and collectors of various sizes adapt to any orchard setup. Leaves? No problem. Some models even blow them away. From attachment to collection, harvest devices combine speed, simplicity, and gentle handling, making seasonal harvests more efficient and less labor-intensive. In the orchard, the apple picker robot maneuvers precisely between trees for harvest. The coordination of its mechanical arms feels almost like watching a skilled hand at work. Each apple is grasped gently, avoiding bruising while stems are cut cleanly. Collected apples are placed carefully into containers ready for packing. It's amusing to see the robot almost hesitate on the perfect apple before picking. Operators monitor the process, ensuring smooth efficiency across the orchard rows. Experience the efficiency of the Voigt Ops Technic OB80 as it collects apples lying on the ground. This machine handles fallen fruit like a pro, making quick work of each row. Operators guide the harvester carefully while its conveyor belts lift apples onto the storage tray. Never thought picking up dropped apples could be this smooth. With its compact frame and precision handling, even densely planted orchards are managed efficiently, allowing harvest to progress quickly without damage to the fruit. Conveyor belts glide steadily as apples move through the modern packing line, each piece carefully handled to maintain its pristine condition. Sorting efficiency reaches up to thousands of apples per hour without sacrificing quality. Workers stationed along the line check for imperfections, while monitoring automated processes that classify and direct the apples into appropriate bins. Advanced sensors detect bruising and color inconsistencies, allowing faulty fruits to be diverted before reaching packaging. It almost looks like the apples are getting VIP treatment. After sorting, the fruits pass through a washing system that gently cleans each apple, preserving the natural wax coating while removing dust and residue. Drying units remove excess moisture before the apples continue down to grading stations, where cameras and software analyze size and color. Grading ensures that each apple is assigned the right market category, optimizing packaging efficiency. The packing machines then wrap or place apples into trays or boxes, ready for shipment. Automation streamlines the workflow, but human oversight ensures quality is never compromised. Labels are applied, and final inspections confirm that boxes meet weight and count requirements. Staff ensure that each pallet is stacked correctly for transport, maintaining freshness from the facility to store shelves. The integration of sensors, robotics, and human precision allows the line to handle large volumes efficiently, highlighting the evolution of apple processing into a high-tech, carefully monitored operation. Up to 24 robotic arms operate simultaneously, handling hundreds of strawberries per minute. Each of Agrobot E-series 24 robotic arms grips the stem without touching the fruit, ensuring clean harvesting. The coordination between arms makes it look like the strawberries are handled by an invisible team. Advanced graphic processing units assess ripeness in real time, sending signals for immediate cutting. Containers follow the robotic arms, collecting fruit efficiently. That alignment between robots and containers seems almost too smooth to be real. Operators monitor the process, ready to intervene if needed, while the harvester maintains constant productivity throughout the rows. Agrobot E-series maneuvers through strawberry rows, each robotic arm moving decisively to harvest fruit. The robotic harvester approaches each plant without contacting the fruit directly. Robotic arms coordinate to gently grip the stems and cut them, depositing the strawberries into field containers for later packing. That coordination looks smoother than expected, like a tiny army in sync. Advanced graphic processing units manage the timing and movement of each arm, ensuring continuous, efficient harvesting. Minimal human intervention is required, with operators overseeing and repositioning the robot when necessary. The design prioritizes fruit safety and operational speed, allowing multiple rows to be harvested simultaneously. Seeing all arms working together gives the impression of orchestrated teamwork on a miniature scale. Containers filled with freshly picked strawberries are then collected and transported for sorting and packaging. Each step maintains careful handling to prevent bruising or damage, making the E-series a reliable choice for large-scale strawberry production. This setup could easily rival human pickers in speed and consistency. The Bareric Superior covers multiple trees quickly, handling up to 3 per minute in expansive orchards. This harvesting machine for plums, cherries, and olives attaches to a tractor without a cabin and relies on a hydraulic arm controlled by the operator to shake the branches precisely. The speed at which 3 trees are harvested per minute is surprisingly efficient. 2 V-shaped layers of catch fabric cradle the falling fruits, allowing the process to proceed without lifting branches or causing harm to the trees. A team of 4 workers manages the machine, and an optional trailer can be attached for crate storage, streamlining collection. That pull looks stronger than expected, almost like the branches barely resist it. Its compact dimensions make it suitable for larger plantations on flat terrain, yet its versatility ensures it adapts to varying tree distances. Oscillator adjustment allows harvesting from trees with low first branches, expanding its utility beyond standard machine-friendly orchards. Maneuvering is intuitive and requires no special training, making the operation seamless. The machine seems to almost tickle the branches while gathering the fruits. Overall, the Bareric Superior balances efficiency, safety, and simplicity in orchard harvesting. Powerful and agile, the SOMAREF Burly Tobacco Harvester navigates rows of plants efficiently with its 4-wheel drive and hydraulically controlled rear steering. That movement across the field looks faster than expected. To prepare for harvesting, the operator adjusts the speed of the transfer chains via the control console, while monitoring the Perkins engine and Poclane hydrostatic transmission. Each Burly plant is guided gently into the cutting and framing system, minimizing leaf damage. Leaves are stacked directly on frames on the field, bypassing traditional curing barns. Automatic tensioners and debris conveyors maintain smooth operation, while onboard cameras and LED work lights assist precision. Can't believe how smoothly it handles up to 7 frames at once. After completing a row, the harvester shifts seamlessly to the next line. Continuous refinement since 2013 has optimized efficiency, comfort, and control, with the spacious climate-controlled cabin supporting long working hours. Speed limits for field and road travel ensure safe operation. It almost feels like the machine knows the plants, rhythm on its own. Wide fields transform under the Silage Orbis 900, gliding effortlessly over uneven terrain with automatic contour adjustment. The 3-meter working width maximizes harvest coverage without compromising precision. The automatic transport protection and folding system makes setup almost instant, saving valuable time per field. Operators remain in the cab, controlling every maneuver safely and efficiently. The Orbis 900 adapts to soil conditions through its auto-contour middle sensor, ensuring clean, consistent cuts. It's hard not to admire how a complex system can simplify a harvest day so effectively. Fields transform under the synchronized effort of the ROPA Mouse 6 with Tiger 6S and Panther 2S, each machine moving with purpose across the sugar beet rows. The Mouse 6, guided by Andreas Schmalhofer, thoroughly lifts beets from the soil, while the Tiger 6S and Panther 2S follow closely, collecting and cleaning the harvest. The coordination between these machines keeps the workflow steady, almost like a mechanical ballet. Adjustable harvest settings allow operators to adapt to varying soil conditions and beet sizes, maximizing efficiency without damaging the crops. Hydraulic arms and conveyor systems manage beets delicately, ensuring minimal loss during transfer. A team of skilled operators maneuvers each vehicle with precision, optimizing both speed and safety. That pull from the Tiger 6S looks stronger than expected. Almost as if it's negotiating with each beet before accepting it. Rows pass quickly as the Panther 2S lifts remaining beets and deposits them onto trailers, reducing manual labor significantly. The modular design of each machine allows quick maintenance and adjustments, keeping downtime to a minimum. Despite their size, all three machines handle uneven terrain with remarkable stability. By the end of the day, hectares of fields are harvested efficiently, leaving neatly cleaned beets ready for processing. ROPA's combination of the Myos 6, Tiger 6S, and Panther 2S demonstrates modern agricultural efficiency at its peak. Vines heavy with ripening grapes stretch along the rows as the Pellenc Optimum moves methodically through the vineyard. Each grape cluster is harvested with remarkable care, achieving 99.82% clean grapes thanks to the machine's advanced picking mechanisms. The precision here almost feels like grapes are being selected by invisible hands. Operators control the harvester through a touchscreen interface, adjusting settings on the fly to match row conditions and grape density. The new engine management system reduces fuel consumption by up to 43%, making long harvesting sessions more efficient. Tighter turning capabilities allow the harvester to navigate even narrow vineyard paths. That tighter maneuverability makes the tractor seem surprisingly nimble for its size. After picking, the grapes are quickly washed and sorted with improved systems that accelerate service time. A Tier 4 engine ensures quieter operation, reducing noise in the cab by 3 times compared to previous models. Minimal vibration and thoughtful ergonomics help the crew remain comfortable during extensive harvesting. Workers oversee loading bins, ensuring the highest quality is maintained before grapes are transported for processing. Seeing such efficiency in motion makes it feel almost futuristic, like a robot with a delicate touch. Each step is designed to preserve fruit integrity while maximizing speed and productivity, making Pellenc Optimum a standout in vineyard mechanization. Across the 803 hectares of cornfields in Altena, Germany, the Claas Jaguar 970 and associated machines coordinate to deliver 30,000 tons of corn silage to the biogas plant. Each Jaguar is equipped with a VMAX 36 knife drum multi-crop cracker, ensuring uniform chopping of corn stalks. Operators monitor the automatic length of cut adjustment, which performs 100 measurements per second based on dry matter content. The Orbis 900 auto contour adapts to row variations, maximizing crop collection efficiency. The Cargos wagons follow closely, benefiting from a payload capacity of up to 50 cubic meters and automatic filling. Operators rely on the telematics system for real-time performance data monitoring and efficient resource management. The chopped silage flows consistently from the harvester into the wagons, reducing waste. The Jaguar's rugged design allows precise crop processing, even under challenging field conditions. Autopilot and field navigation guide each machine accurately along 80 centimeters row widths. Fuel-saving drive systems optimize engine efficiency, lowering diesel consumption by over 10% under partial load. Additional machines, including the Axion 840 and Axion 850 tractors, maintain speed and stability with hexashift transmission and proactive front axle suspension. Scorpion 9040 lifts and maneuvers trailers with 4-ton capacity, ensuring smooth unloading into the biogas plant. The combined operation of these machines allows fast delivery of silage, keeping up with the plant's 1.7 megawatts capacity. Operators coordinate harvesting, transport, and monitoring, balancing high productivity with crop quality. Every machine contributes to a seamless workflow. The dynamic cooling system in Orbis 900 supports outside temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating. The biogas plant receives consistent, high-quality silage on schedule, supporting gas production of 30 million m³ per year. The operator and Fendt 828 work in harmony, letting the honeybee header adjust automatically for flawless harvesting. You almost expect a small combine, but this thing chews through fields like a hungry giant. With its 790 horsepower MAN D42 engine and an 18,000-liter grain tank, Lexion 8900 delivers on its promise of brute strength and high capacity even under heavy load. Its ability to maintain steady performance under pressure is a clear advantage during demanding harvest days. The cab offers operators a commanding view of every movement, ensuring precise navigation across wide fields. The combine's 13.8-meter header cuts through thick stalks and feeds the crop evenly into the feeder house. Inside, the APSSY NFLOW hybrid threshing drum, one 700 mm wide, 755 mm diameter, separates grain from stalks efficiently, while the dual-rotor Roto Plus system ensures that any remaining grain is collected. The secondary separation rotor, 445 mm diameter, 200 mm length, acts as a final safeguard, maximizing harvest yield. That pull is stronger than you'd think for a mid-size machine. This layered separation approach keeps the output consistent across varying crop conditions. After threshing, the crop moves into the jet stream cleaning system. Multiple turbine fans and a total sieve area of around 6.1 square meters remove chaff, dust, and small debris, leaving clean grain ready for storage. The design ensures high throughput without sacrificing cleanliness, even when harvesting dense or wet crops. The uniform airflow across the cleaning area helps maintain stability in grain quality. Feels like this machine doesn't waste a second thinking. Once cleaned, grain flows into the massive 18,000-liter grain tank. The hydraulic unloading auger moves up to 180 liters per second, allowing fast transfer to trailers or storage bins while harvesting continues seamlessly. Fast unloading at this scale gives operators more productive time on the field. This combination of speed, volume, and accuracy reduces downtime and keeps field operations smooth and efficient. Fuel efficiency is another key feature. Under real harvest conditions, the Lexion 8900 recorded as low as 0.95 liters of diesel per ton harvested, demonstrating intelligent engine management and reduced operational costs. The cab adds further efficiency with climate control, ergonomic seating, multifunction controls, and CMOS automatic support systems. GPS guidance and automatic crop flow adjustment help maintain consistency across every pass, even during long harvest shifts. The Claas Lexion 8900 merges raw engine power, advanced threshing and cleaning systems, automation intelligence, and immense grain capacity, delivering harvest performance that few machines can match. Rolling through the field, the Fendt 828 harnesses the Honeybee 36 inches reversible header to cut doggrass with precision. The adjustable header ensures every pass follows the contour of the land, minimizing crop loss. Operators rely on the hydraulic reversible mechanism to reduce time spent turning at field ends, streamlining each harvest cycle. As the tractor advances, knives on the header slice cleanly through dense grass, maintaining a consistent swath width. The combination of tractor power and header agility allows efficient coverage across wide areas. The reversible function is activated smoothly, flipping the cutting direction without manual repositioning. This feature cuts down operational fatigue significantly, letting the operator focus on speed and accuracy. Height adjustments maintain an even cut, protecting roots for future regrowth. Soil and crop density are continuously monitored by the operator to prevent clogging. The 36 inches Honeybee header's design allows a uniform cut even in uneven terrain, showing how engineering enhances productivity while reducing damage to valuable grass stands. After each pass, the swath is checked for uniformity. Minor adjustments to header tilt ensure clean, precise lines. It's kind of satisfying how the blades maintain sharp contact even in thick stands, almost like the machine anticipates resistance. The reversible system also allows immediate change of direction, eliminating extra passes. Time saved per hectare adds up across the entire field, making the Fendt 828 with Honeybee header a smart choice for high-yield operations. Operators can see the efficiency gains instantly, and the machine maintains consistent performance throughout long workdays. Even dense patches are handled effortlessly, showing the robustness of the cutting assembly. This setup almost runs itself, leaving operators pleasantly surprised at the smooth transitions. Across the expansive fields of Agrargenossenschaft Elbtal e.g., Claas machines operate in harmony to complete the grass harvest efficiently. The Disco 9100C Contour and Disco 3100 FCPROFIL mowers cut the grass into uniform swaths. Operators guide these machines carefully to avoid overlapping or missed areas. The way these mowers move smoothly over uneven terrain is surprisingly engaging. The cutting width of the Disco 9100C Contour reaches 9 meters, allowing more ground to be covered quickly. Once cut, the liner 4000 windrows the grass, neatly arranging it into rows ready for collection. The liner 4000's adjustable conveyor ensures consistent swath formation even on slopes. Adjustments on height and width allow for optimal airflow, preventing moisture accumulation and preserving crop quality. The Cargos 9400 and Cargos 9500 forage wagons then transport the grass. Cargos 9500's payload capacity exceeds 20 tons, enabling fewer trips across the field. Watching these wagons handle massive loads without losing any material is impressive. Operators coordinate multiple wagons to ensure continuous delivery to the balers. Each wagon's design allows for easy loading, minimizing the need for manual handling and reducing potential damage to the crop. Meanwhile, the Rolant 455 Unirap Scorpion 7045 baler picks up the windrowed grass and compacts it into dense bales, wrapping each efficiently for storage or transport. Bales produced by the Rolant 455 have uniform density, improving storage stability. Seeing so many machines operate in sync, it almost feels like a perfectly timed choreography. The Jaguar 980 Plus PU 300 PRO forage harvester handles chopped grass, feeding it into the processing system. Operators adjust cutting height and speed to maintain consistency, while simultaneously ensuring no damage occurs to the field surface. The Jaguar 980 Plus can process over 100 tons of grass per hour, maintaining high throughput. The field looks completely transformed within minutes, yet the process is so methodical. Integrated monitoring of cutting and collection rates helps operators optimize the workflow continuously. From mowing to windrowing, collecting, baling, and transporting, the entire operation highlights the collaboration of machinery and human expertise. The combination of these Claas machines ensures minimal crop loss while maintaining high-quality forage. Each machine performs a distinct function: cutting, gathering, transporting, pressing, or wrapping, forming a continuous line of efficient work. Coordination between operators and equipment is key, with each task timed precisely to avoid downtime. Modern agricultural practices rely on this synergy, allowing large fields to be harvested quickly without sacrificing quality. By integrating multiple specialized machines, productivity is maximized while labor intensity is reduced. Even under variable weather conditions, the Claas lineup adapts seamlessly, ensuring consistent results. You wouldn't believe how quickly a field can be cleared and prepared for the next planting. This method exemplifies efficiency, organization, and innovation in grass harvesting. Powerful hydraulic motors drive the Ritchie high-capacity bale sledge as it glides across the field, keeping bales safely above the soil. The rubber belt keeps the bales off the soil, minimizing contamination and preventing string damage. Operators can adjust belt speed via the tractor hydraulic flow to match the pace of high-capacity balers like Welgers. Integrated with the EasyWeigh 7i weigh scale, live weight data is recorded efficiently, and storage allows up to 50 weighing sessions and 10,000 records. Compatibility with TrueTest XRP panels and other EID readers adds operational flexibility. Automatic and windrower designs make it adaptable for various setups. The combination of high-speed operation, hydraulic control, and durable construction ensures that bales are moved efficiently without slowing the baling process. Technology simplifies heavy manual work in real farm conditions. The FORIGO Interratris G35 stone barrier moves steadily across fields, tackling stones embedded in the soil with efficiency and control. This machine, designed for tractors, uses rotating tines to lift and bury stones, leaving the soil ready for planting. Operators guide the machine carefully to maintain straight rows while minimizing disturbance to the surrounding earth. The way it handles larger stones without slowing down is impressive in its own right. Adjustable depth settings allow it to adapt to varying soil conditions, ensuring consistent results across different terrains. A team can cover extensive acreage quickly, reducing manual labor. The compact frame and sturdy construction make the G35 suitable for both small and large farms. With minimal training, operators can run it effectively, making stone management fast, safe, and precise. In Perry, Iowa, the JLCH FIDB 120 planter moves steadily across the fields, placing each corn seed with precision. The spacing mechanism ensures even distribution, which is crucial for a uniform crop. Operators guide the tractor carefully to maintain straight rows and avoid overlaps. The planting depth is adjusted according to soil conditions, optimizing germination rates. Seeing the planter handle hundreds of acres with such consistency is impressive. Fertilizer is applied simultaneously, reducing the need for extra passes and preserving soil structure. Sensors monitor the rate of seed and fertilizer delivery, adjusting on the go to maintain accuracy. A small misalignment could affect yield, so the control system is vital. Row markers assist in keeping lines straight, which speeds up future cultivation. Operators coordinate multiple units, enabling the DB120 to cover large areas efficiently. It's fascinating how technology streamlines such a labor-intensive process. Tractor speed and planter settings are constantly monitored to balance speed and precision, ensuring each seed has the best chance to grow. The Integra Jord Packer glides over the field, compacting soil efficiently for better plow performance. Farmers gain consistent soil density with minimal effort. It attaches easily to most plows, enhancing tillage without extra machinery. Operators adjust settings for different soil types, ensuring optimal field conditions. The compacting roller design reduces soil clumping and improves seedbed preparation. Simple maintenance keeps it running season after season. Even tricky corners are handled smoothly, surprising many who try it for the first time. Power surges through the Massey Ferguson 8737 Dyna VT as it moves across the fields of Van Bakel Dairy in Vredepeel, Limburg. Coupled with the Kuhn 7-furrow on-land plow, the tractor handles heavy soil effortlessly. The plow's adjustable skimmers help prevent soil buildup between furrows. The AutoGuide GPS ensures perfectly straight furrows every pass. Operators monitor the depth and angle, adjusting for soil conditions to maximize efficiency. Each furrow is compacted uniformly thanks to the calibrated packer, improving water retention for future crops. The front-mounted packer consolidates soil neatly behind each furrow, preparing a uniform seedbed. Fuel consumption is noticeably reduced thanks to optimized engine management, keeping operational costs in check. The combination of 400 HP power and precise GPS guidance allows large plots to be plowed quickly, yet carefully. Hydraulic controls allow the tractor to adapt to uneven terrain without compromising performance. Manual oversight complements automation, ensuring soil is neither over nor under compacted. Even the tricky corners of the field are navigated smoothly, leaving the terrain ready for the next crop. The tractor's ergonomic cab provides comfort for extended work hours, while the machinery's robust construction promises durability season after season. The robust frame of the Kuhn plow reduces vibration, extending the lifespan of both tractor and implement. Rows are completed efficiently, showing how modern technology harmonizes with skilled driving. The synchronization between plow, tractor, and packer highlights the evolution of contemporary tillage techniques. Venbackel's team demonstrates both expertise and adaptability, producing ideal conditions for crop growth. Observers can appreciate the balance of speed, power, and precision that makes modern plowing so effective. Farmbox Foods' hydroponic trays grow dense, nutrient-rich barley in just days. In a controlled indoor environment, the Farmbox Foods hydroponic system produces barley fodder efficiently, yielding around 850 pounds per day. Farmers and ranchers position trays with barley seeds in the growing racks, ensuring even spacing for optimal growth. That output is higher than you might guess for such a compact setup. Watering, lighting, and temperature are carefully managed to encourage rapid sprouting. Over a few days, seedlings develop into dense, nutrient-rich fodder, ready for livestock consumption. After the fodder matures, trays are removed and harvested manually, or with light machinery. The system allows for continuous production by cycling trays daily, providing a reliable feed source year-round. The efficiency here really highlights how technology can simplify feeding operations. This method transforms limited indoor space into a highly productive microfarm, reducing reliance on traditional fodder supply and increasing sustainability. Few container farms integrate full climate, lighting, and irrigation control. Farmbox Foods container farms cultivate high yields with controlled lighting, irrigation, and climate. It's wild how these compact units manage so much growth. Each crop bed is monitored digitally, optimizing water and nutrient delivery for maximum efficiency. The gourmet mushroom farm in shipping containers produces mushrooms efficiently, letting anyone grow a full crop without prior experience. Users load substrate trays, control moisture and temperature, and watch fungi develop in a controlled environment. That automation makes growing mushrooms feel almost effortless. Continuous monitoring ensures quality and speed. Who knew mushrooms could be farmed so systematically indoors? Alfegnenberg fields now generate electricity while growing crops thanks to Oko House GmbH's Agro PV setup. Farmers gain extra revenue while fields produce electricity efficiently. Sustainable farming just got an upgrade. Farmers combine solar energy and food production on the same land. How efficiently can it work? Agrivoltaic setups like these let farmers generate energy while maintaining crop growth. Careful planning of panel height and row spacing ensures machinery can still pass between rows for planting and harvesting. CLAS tractors adapt well to this environment, navigating beneath panels safely. Energy production becomes an additional revenue stream without compromising food output. Seeing both solar and crops managed together is surprisingly efficient, almost like multitasking on a grand scale. Field layout and panel angles are adjusted seasonally to balance light for crops and solar yield. Smart features in CAAAS Rovio 4 optimize fuel consumption during extended corn harvesting sessions. Up to 30% more performance means operators can cover larger areas faster. The machine's high-capacity intake ensures cleaner processing, minimizing waste. Adjustable settings let crews handle varying crop densities without slowing down. Seeing a single machine handle so much corn is honestly impressive. Its robust design maintains consistency over long hours, while smart features optimize fuel use. This makes late-season harvesting feel almost effortless. Each pass contributes to maximizing yield and maintaining crop quality. Follow the SP10 as it combs blueberries into collection trays. One operator guides the machine while berries are carefully combed from the bushes, preserving quality. The device is designed for one-sided harvesting under anti-hail nets, reducing damage and loss. Minimal manual labor is needed beyond steering and monitoring, allowing the team to cover large areas quickly. The way berries fall gently into collection trays is satisfying. The SP10 can also handle raspberries, demonstrating its versatility in berry farms. Coordination between operator and machine ensures consistent results. You don't expect such speed without compromising the fruit. This approach optimizes productivity while maintaining the delicate nature of the berries. TRI-SIX combines power and comfort, making long hours in the field manageable. It rolls steadily across the field, tackling tough terrain with ease. The powerful six-wheel drive ensures consistent traction, even on slopes. Adjustable settings adapt to different soil conditions, optimizing performance. Watching a single tractor handle such a variety of tasks makes farm work look simple. Operators appreciate its balance of strength and versatility. The Burly Spiker is a self-propelled machine designed to handle harvested tobacco plants with efficiency. One worker pulls the plants from the field and feeds them onto the machine while another monitors the placement process. The spiker aligns each stalk onto wooden sticks, preparing them for air curing. Only minimal assistance is needed beyond these operators, allowing the task to be completed faster than manual methods. It's neat how the machine secures every stalk without crushing or tangling. As the spiker moves steadily, it maintains uniform spacing, preventing overcrowding and ensuring proper airflow during curing. Each stick is carefully loaded, reducing the risk of uneven drying or damaged leaves. Operators make minor adjustments when necessary, but the bulk of the laborious positioning is automated. Watching this system in action really shows how technology can support farm work. The self-propelled design allows the machine to navigate across the rows with stability, even on slightly uneven terrain. The wooden sticks are inserted into curing frames efficiently, saving hours of repetitive work. The spiker balances speed and care, turning a once tedious job into a smooth operation. It's almost like the field has its own assembly line, but in a surprisingly calm way. Both workers coordinate feeding the plants and ensuring that each stalk is placed correctly. By the end of the run, dozens of sticks are loaded uniformly, each carrying a row of tobacco plants ready for curing. Efficiency and plant quality come together seamlessly here. The Burly Spiker transforms the traditional labor-intensive task of arranging tobacco into a more manageable and productive routine, letting human labor focus on the tasks machines cannot replace. How do Italian harvesters pick leaves so efficiently without damage? Rows of plants stretch across the terrain, and the harvesters navigate each line with careful attention. To start, operators guide the harvesting machines through the first row, aligning cutters and collection trays. Each leaf is delicately separated from the stem and funneled into storage compartments, ensuring minimal bruising or damage. Didn't expect those leaves to be handled this smoothly in such uneven fields. After the initial pass, the equipment is adjusted for the next rows, maintaining consistent coverage and optimizing yield. Workers monitor the operation, checking the fullness of collection trays and the alignment of the machine. Sensors and mechanical guides aid in maintaining a steady flow of harvested leaves. The coordination here feels like muscle and intelligence packed together. Once the leaves are gathered, they are transported to drying areas for further processing. The design of the harvesters reflects years of experience in Italian tobacco farming, balancing speed, delicacy, and durability. Throughout the day, the machines cover extensive acreage, turning what could be a labor-intensive process into an efficient, high-quality harvest. This is why traditional methods combined with modern machinery can transform productivity on the farm. Each pass through the rows demonstrates the care taken to preserve the crop's value while increasing output, leaving both the operators and machines in a seamless rhythm of work. The sight of these harvesters handling whole rows of tobacco almost makes the process look effortless. Compact yet robust, the RA632 tobacco harvester from Bareric SRL handles 2 rows of tobacco plants with ease. Its 3-wheel design ensures stability on varied terrains, allowing operators to maneuver confidently through fields. That pull across the rows looks smoother than expected for such a setup. To engage the harvesting system, the machine is aligned carefully with the first tobacco row. Each plant is guided into the cutting and collecting mechanisms, minimizing leaf loss while maintaining plant integrity. Never thought a harvester could feel almost gentle while working this efficiently. The collected leaves are then funneled into the onboard storage container. Sensors and mechanical guides ensure leaves are stacked neatly, maximizing capacity and reducing the need for frequent unloading. This storage looks deceptively simple but handles a full field load with ease. Once a row is complete, the operator steers the RA632 to the next line, repeating the process systematically. The machine's design allows for smooth transitions between rows, keeping the harvesting rhythm steady and continuous. Years of applied experience are reflected in its reliable operation and overall efficiency, making the RA632 a standout choice for tobacco farmers.